One of the typical breakfasts from the coast of Ecuador made with green plantains is this one, and you won't believe how easy and delicious it is. Here are the ingredients. We will start by peeling the green plantains and cooking them in salted water for about 25 minutes. If peeling plantains is difficult for you, here is a tutorial that might make the process easier. When the plantain feels soft, that means it's ready to be mashed. To speed things up, I bought this food processor, but if you don't have one, you can mash the plantains with your hands or with a wooden pestle. Add salt, butter, and the oil of your choice, and lastly the green onions. This is so the onion doesn't get too crushed. If you are using a food processor, make sure to use the dough kneading setting. You don't need the blaze for this. When you start shaping the tortillas, make sure to keep the dough covered because this process needs to be done while the plantain is still hot. If it cools down, it becomes very hard to work with. They are usually filled with mozzarella or fresh cheese, and I love using fresh cheese, but at this time I didn't have nothing, so I will be using mozzarella cheese at the end. I used 3 green plantains and got 6 tortillas. Once they are ready, you can fry them or bake them, but I'm going to use the air fryer because I like in that way, and I will not add any oil because remember I added the oil before. I cook them for 14 minutes, flipping them halfway through. In the meantime, I'm going to make a traditional salad we often serve with this dish. It's a simple salad made with tomato, onion, green bell pepper, avocado, lime juice, and salt. When the tortillas finish cooking, I add the mozzarella cheese for a couple of minutes so it can melt. These are also commonly served with coffee and fried eggs with a soft, runny yolk because that helps balance the dryness of the plantains. But of course, how you like your yolk cooked is completely up to you. What I do know is that you will feel fuller if you serve your tortillas with eggs and salad. And this is how this delicious dish turns out, something you can enjoy at any time of the day. I don't know if you have tried this before, but I would love to know, so I will be reading you in the comments.